Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a video transition correctly to your videos on CapCut PC. So select transitions here and select the video transition that you want, for instance this mix one, and add it to track. Here you can adjust the size by pressing this button or using the slider bit right here to adjust how many seconds you want the video transition to be. Okay, doesn't really show that much. What about this one? Oh, there you go. And then if you want a video transition at the beginning, you do have to add in like a media first, like either a black or white screen to be able to add in a video transition, or else you won't be able to do that. See, now you can do it for this one. Also, I want to mention you can add the same video transition to all of your videos by pressing apply to all, and it will apply the same video transition to all of your videos. And I would also like to mention, if there's only one clip like this, you're not able to add in a video transition. So for instance, you want to add it in the same clip, make sure you split it first and add in the video transition, then it's going to be added. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.